Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy based turbo token crypto coin. Before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So this is the X account, as you can see, and make sure to check it. Now this token is available in the screener. So if you go to their website, which is this, click on buy turbo. Now they will redirect you to their the Uniswap. Now after that, make sure to connect the wallet. Now for this I will connect Bitget wallet. As you can see, just click on connect, and as you can see, so if you want to buy from here you can, and I prefer to go to Bitget wallet. Now as you can see, first of all, copy the token and make sure that this token is under base network. Now open the Bitget wallet after you connect it. Now as you can see, click on swap, and here make sure to select the crypto that you want to buy with. So I prefer to buy with Ethereum because this token is under base. As you can see, Ethereum here. Now from here, paste the token address to save your investment. So make sure to select base and paste it. So this is our token. Now click on it, and as you can see, enter how much you want to buy, as you can see, and this is how much you will receive, and this is the information of the transaction. As you can see, the price, the slip in, and as you can see, so after you are ready to go, just click on swap, and as you can see, now you can as you can see, to go and buy this token. Because I don't have enough Ethereum, I can't click on this. After that, they will redirect you to confirm your transaction, and after that you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a turbo based turbo token. So what is the turbo token? So turbo token began as a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation as a mainest Ethereum. Inspired the power of artificial intelligence, the project's creator turned to GPT-4 with a simple challenge: create the next great meme coin, starting with a budget at just $69 to pay homage to our main counterpart. And for those of us that missed these entries, we bring you basic turbo. So this is how to buy the turbo token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.